Yes, students. So today we are going to study this question: cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos 9x by 2, and we have to prove it equals to sin 5x into sin 5x by 2. So student, this is a question that we have to study. Now see what we have to do. So actually I have a formula. It is that 2 cos A into cos B. So 2 cos A into cos B equals to what? So it is cos A plus B and plus cos A minus B. It is cos A plus B and plus cos A minus B. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, so here you see that what I have done. So in this term I have multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. Also in this term I have multiplied by 2 and divided by 2 and taken 1 by 2 common in LHS. Okay, so now we have got 2 cos 2x plus into cos x by 2, this one, and again I have got 2 cos 9x by 2 into cos 3x. Okay, now on this formula, which formula? On this formula, 2 cos A into cos B equals to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So here if we just solve this one, so it is 2 cos 2x and cos x by 2. It means that 2x will be taken as A and x by 2 will be taken as B. So its result will be, everything will be same. The only result of 2 cos 2x into cos x by 2 will be cos A plus B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Here 2x is A and x by 2 is B. So we can write again minus is here, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 will be multiplied in also this one. So again we have broken this part also like this, and on the same formula, to A to sin A into cos B. Okay, and here A will be 9x by 2 and B will be 3x. So I have written A plus B, A minus B in the term of cos only. Okay, now adding the same, जिस ये ब्लू वाला दिख रहा है ना 2x प्लस एक्स बाई 2, इसको मैंने ऐड कर दिया, तो 2x प्लस एक्स बाई 2 5x बाई 2 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अगेन 2x माइनस एक्स बाई 2, मतलब 2 ठो x में से हाफ x जाएगा तो कितना बचेगा, 1.5 बचेगा ना, मतलब 3x/2 बचेगा ना. तो ये लिख लिया मैंने. फिर -1/2 हैज बीन टेकन कॉमन. ओके, नाउ वी कैलकुलेट दिस वन. 9x/2 प्लस 3x कितना होगा, 9x/2 एंड प्लस 3x. तो 9/2 मतलब हो गया 4.5 एंड प्लस 3 कितना होगा 7.5, मतलब 15/2x. Here I have written 15/2x. Again माइनस करो, 9/2 मतलब 4.5, 4.5 minus 3 कितना हुआ 1.2, 1.2, 1.5, 1.5 means 3/2. I have written this one. अब now we can see that you can cancel this one and this one, cancel, and you will be left with only this one and which one, this one. So we will here write 1/2. 1/2 will be as it is, and cos 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2 will be written. Okay, अब now see what we can do. Okay, so again we can, अब now 1/2 will be as it is, and cos 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2 will be broken on the formula cos C minus cos D, whose value is in sin only. ठीक ना, we have studied ना that sin C minus cos D equals to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So on the same formula we have written this one and this one. and finally we got that this one. Okay, so we minus minus will be cancelled, and sine 5x into sine 5x by 2 will be the result. That is our HRHS. So this way we can prove. Okay students, so this was the question. I think that it is very important. I have wanted to make you understand. Okay, so I solved this question. The next question is, again I have a next question. It is prove that cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 equals to 3 by 2. We have to prove this one. So how will you do this? This is also very important question. Okay, its solution already written here. See, now see student, cos square x, its value is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. How it has come from? See, I am explaining everything in detail. Okay, so yes, so this is the result of just cos square x. Actually students, see here, I have written this one here. Yes, for this purpose I would like to recall you what is the value of cos 2x in term of only cos x. We have studied now that cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. So on this basis minus will be transferred here, so 1 plus cos 2x and 2 will be come down, and thus we can get cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So in place of cos square x I have written 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay students, now see, the next is cos square x plus pi by 3. So in the same way, what can you write? Just as we did that, here was x plus pi by 3. The everything will be written as earlier. In place of x, now we will write x plus pi by 3. The same thing as it is, we will write this one. In place of x, what I have written? X plus pi by 3. So if you multiply by 2, then 2x and 2 pi by 3 will be. In the same way, we'll write this one as this one with the same formula we'll use. We will be using the same formula, and only in place of x, this time we will write x minus pi by 3. See, x minus pi by 3. Okay, so the first step is completed. Okay, now we find that 2 is denominator in first term, second term and third term. So 1 by 2 we can take as common, as I have done here. Okay, now see, now what can you do? Now 1 plus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x plus 2 pi by 3 plus 1 plus cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 will be written. Okay, without any problem 3 can be written. Now this cos 2x will be written here. Now this cos 2x plus 2 pi by 3 will be written here, and cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3 will be written here. Okay, everything is written. Now you can write everything 1 by 2 taken as common. This will be written as earlier, 3 as earlier, cos 2x also as earlier. And now you see that cos 2x plus 2 pi by 3 and plus cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3, these two things, this one and this one. Okay, let me clear. In green I will write this one and this one. Okay, both are same thing, cos c plus cos d. You can use the formula cos c plus cos d. Okay, so what will be the answer? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here c is what? C is the black one, c is the black one, d is also the black one. The c plus d you find and c minus d by 2 you find, and let's see, you will get the same answer, this one. Okay, any problem? And after that, yes, after that everything will be written as earlier, no problem. Okay, so we will get 1 by 2 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x into cos 2 pi by 3. अब students, cos 2 pi by 3 can be written, how can be written, what is the value of cos, let me see, what is the value of cos 2 pi by 3, this blue color written thing, cos 2 pi by 3. It is very easy, you can find. Okay, I have made you learn how to find the any t ratio of any angle. Okay, the cos 2 pi by 3 you can write. ठीक है ना, how will you write? The 2 pi by 3 is 120 degree. So cos 120 degree is what? How will you find cos 120 degree? 120 degree you can write cos 90 plus 30. Here 90 multiple of 90 is 1, so it will be changed. Okay, but 120 is lies in second quadrant, so it here will be minus, and since the multiple of 90 is 1, that is odd, so we need to change. So in place of cos we'll write sin 30. So sin 30 value is 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2. So in place of cos 2 pi by 3 we will write minus 1 by 2. Okay, you will write minus 1 by 2. अब minus 1 by 2 you will write directly. ठीक है ना, तो it is not here I have written, but its answer will be 1 by 2. तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा एंड 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर ये 2, लेट मी चेक, यस 1 मिनट आई विल टेक टाइम. Yes, so we will do this 2 and this minus will also cancel and this one cancel. Okay, because this is in second quadrant, so 1 minus will become here. Acha, that's why here is minus. Okay, no problem. Here will be minus, only 2 is, and cos pi by 3 will be cancelled. And now cos 2x and cos 2x can be also cancelled, so I use black color to cancel it. So we will finally left 3 by 2. That is our answer, RHS. Okay, so this is the solution of the two questions. Okay students, just see how I have solved this question. Here the only important thing is that you have to pay on the formula cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x by 2, this written, this one is the most important formula. And how I have got this formula? So I have got this formula from the formula cos 2x. Actually we have studied that cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So on this formula you can make another formula. It is that cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So okay students, with the same video I am going to stop this video. Okay, thank you very much.